A new bike has just arrived. It's one of the hottest, it's one of the most anticipated, it's one of the most wanted adventure bike of this year. Let's check it out. It's the brand new BMW F850GS in its rally color theme. Now let's have a look at the papers. It's the model year 2019. It comes with dynamic traction control, dynamic ESA, LED lights, keyless ride, Shift Assistant Pro, which is the quickshifter, also riding modes Pro. It means that it comes with the Enduro Pro riding mode, comfort, touring and dynamic packages, GPS holder also. It also comes with the comfort seat, ABS Pro. I mean, it's a full option bike. This should be the happiest moment in a biker's life. So whenever you buy a new bike, whenever you get a new one, just ask the dealer to be there when they do the unboxing, because it's a really nice feeling. So this is a full-spec BMW F850GS, so it's adventure ready. It comes with this radiator protector, for example. It also comes with the handguards. I found them in the package, but it doesn't feature some proper enduro foot pegs. These ones are very narrow. Let's have a look under the seat. This is the comfort seat. It's not adjustable, however, BMW offers you a lot of options when it comes to seats. For example, you can choose a lower one if you want. We're at the BMW Motorrad dealer right now, and the mechanic is mounting the elements. So we have the hand guards, we're gonna have the engine guard, and of course we must plug the battery so we could start this motorcycle. But until then, I will explain you more about this bike, because it is completely new. I mean, it's still a parallel twin engine and it's still a 21 front, but even those elements are completely new, because you have tubeless tires right now, for example, and the engine. The central piece of the bike was completely re-engineered. It now develops 95 horsepower. It feels alive. I know that because I already tried this bike at the international media launch. You can check the video. Also, the fuel tank is on the front right now. It's not on the rear anymore, and the exhaust is on the right side. So everything is new on this bike. The engine, the frame, the suspension, I don't know, the wheels, the headlight, which is LED right now, the dash. This is a completely new bike, and it has nothing to do with the old model. For the moment, this is the highest original windscreen you can get on the BMW F850GS, and it's not adjustable. So it's very interesting to see the weather protection. Now the mechanic is mounting the engine guard, which is made out of plastic right now. You also need a crash bar. It's not over here. I saw it at the international media launch. It looks more resistant, better than before. If you remember, the old one had an issue because when falling on the side, it could deform and hit the engine, and the engine could break. So this one, I think it's better, but we have to test it. And one more thing, as you can see, unlike the handguards on the old model, which featured some metallic frame, these ones are just made out of plastic. And now the most important moment, I was waiting for it. Let's start the bike. It comes with a new dash, completely new TFT dash. You heard it, it sounds very nice. It's somehow like a V-twin because the firing interval of the engine was modified, and this engine is very, very nice, very fun to ride. I told you I had the opportunity to do it at the International Media Launch. So what's next? The thing is that we're gonna get this bike and take it out for an in-depth review, which will also contain an off-road test and a comparison with the old F850GS to see exactly how this one behaves now with the front fuel tank and with all this new engine compared to the previous one. More than that, we're gonna put it against its main rivals, the Honda Africa Twin and the Triumph Tiger 800 XC. So, if you have any questions, please write them down in the comment section and we're gonna answer them all in our next videos.